Let's talk about the possibility of a $100 billion market cap for the popular frog meme token Pepe coin today, which sounds totally ridiculous. But I want to talk about looking at Shiba Inu possibly getting flipped by Pepe the frog coin. A couple key pieces of information that I wanted to share with you guys today, some of the numbers. You're going to want to stick around to the end on this one, guys, because I want to pull up some data that I know that a lot of people are not looking at when it comes to analyzing whether something like this is possible. And we're also going to remind you here in this video, Pepe coin is not yet listed on Coinbase. So is that on the table? And where are we sitting with the possibility of a coin listing for Pepe on Coinbase? Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I am Crypto Kip. Today, I want to talk about Pepe, possibly flipping Shiba, and everything else I just laid through for you. So smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's get right into the content. So Pepe coin was at a $7 billion market cap not too long ago. Right now, it is sitting at $5.25 billion. And so if this thing does go to $100 billion, my friends, you are looking at a beautiful 20x from here. But is that something that is possible? Let's discuss. Now, if you look at the trajectory of this token and what we've seen in the history of this token, there has been a long road. We had a Pepe coin stolen back in 8/21 of 2023. We had a lot of exchange listings all the way back in the middle of last year in 2023. We also had, a big Pepe burn, which brought the price up. So we've had moments that things that have brought the price down, things that have brought the price up. But exchange listings are always something, especially for large cap memes, that get excitement. Sometimes they lead to a pump after a listing. Sometimes that lead to a sell-off. But a Coinbase listing could potentially be huge for this token. Well, is it on the table? Well, this price action has been very strong, absolutely huge explosion. Once we saw this market cap come above $1 billion threshold, it just went soaring, came up, retested back down to that $1 billion threshold, and then went soaring all the way to $7 billion. So it's had beautiful trajectory so far, major exchange listings. But again, we are on Binance with Pepe. We are on obviously Uniswap, OKX, Bybit, Kraken, just no Coinbase listing yet. Well, if you didn't see this story, let me share with you real quick. Coinbase actually came out in a newsletter and they called Pepe a hate symbol, but that did not go over well as the chief legal officer for Coinbase came out and responded saying, "We screwed up and we are sorry. Yesterday, we shared an overview of the Pepe meme coin to provide a fact-based picture of a trending topic. This did not provide a whole picture of the story of the meme, and we apologize to the community." So, though there was some fear around Pepe coin back, back in, I think it was in 2023, back in October of 2023, this was, let's just call it fake news in a sense, and this is not the full picture. They do not want to go down in history as a exchange that is anti-Pepe coin, which tells us what? This tells us, my friends, that Pepe coin is likely still due for a Coinbase listing. Now, can that come this month, this year? Well, I'm going to tell you, hard to predict exactly when an exchange listing can come, but I would be shocked if it did not come in the year 2024 at some point. And if that does happen, that would be a catalyst to see Pepe coin get back to its previous highs. Let's look at the chart for Pepe really quick. So again, this token at one point blasted up to $1 billion market cap, came back down and retested that level and had a 63% retracement from the top. Right now, Pepe coin is cooling off. It got to $7 billion, and now it is down to about $5 billion in market cap, and is at a 28% retracement right now. I would not be surprised to see us test this 4 zeros 1 level again, just because that's such a mental number. Those flat numbers where Pepe drops a zero at 4 zeros 1. I think that's going to be a level to look at, and this would potentially be my accumulation zone, not financial advice. Nothing here is financial advice, as always, my friends. But then at those levels, you start looking out. Okay, well, what happens if Pepe goes back to its previous highs, if it does dip down to that level? Well, if you buy that dip, you could be looking at an easy, 69% move back up to the upside, especially if Pepe coin gets that Coinbase listing, or if Pepe coin just straight up gets real community pulling together, just absolute excitement behind buyers, and move to the upside, just finding new all-time highs, which I expect a lot of tokens to find new all-time highs. You look at the overall market cap for crypto, we expect the overall market cap to surpass $3 trillion today, or not today, but this year in 2024 in this bull market. And then we expect to see maybe a $4, $5, $6, or $10 trillion market cap, bringing hundreds of billions of dollars into this space. And Pepe coin is certainly a popular coin still. Now, let's look at this really quick because there's more to this story. And here's the metric that nobody's talking about. When you look at Google Trends and you look at Pepe versus Shiba Inu on search trends, at one point Shiba Inu did have a spike that outpaced Pepe back in March of 2024. But in general, over the last year, you have seen Pepe coin with more search results. Pepe, should I say specifically the word Pepe, in the US have more search results than the search term Shiba Inu. Now, Pepe is, I believe, a vegetable in Spanish, I think. I think it's like a cucumber. And then Shiba Inu is obviously a dog breed. So those are kind of cluttering these search terms. But Pepe has flipped Shiba Inu in search term and looks like it's climbing up right now, just slightly above. So in one capacity, Pepe coin has already flipped Shiba Inu, though there was a big spike. And when Shiba Inu pumps, there will be big spikes. But when Pepe pumps, there's also big spikes for Pepe as well. The other thing I want to explore is, well, what happens if Pepe flips Shiba Inu by price? Well, then we will see, or excuse me, by market cap. Well, then if Pepe takes the previous market cap of, let's say, Shiba Inu, or let's go back to Dogecoin, Shiba Inu. If Pepe can flip Shiba Inu, it's only a 2.62x. If Pepe can flip Shiba Inu's previous all-time high, that is a 7.93x. And if Pepe the Frog can get that Coinbase listing, and we can see this coin flip Dogecoin, the number one meme token out there in the market, right now it would be a 4x, but to the previous all-time high for Dogecoin, which was 88 billion, you're looking at a 17x. Now, is this possible? Well, it's very difficult to predict something like this. It's very difficult to say that this is something that is going to happen, or even that if it's possible. But at this point, Pepe has already done the impossible. At this point, we have not seen a Coinbase listing for Pepe yet, both of which Dogecoin and Shiba Inu have seen. We have not seen a bull market rally for Pepe coin yet. And I do believe, based on some of the information that I've collected, based on some of the hype that I've seen going to a cryptocurrency conference lately and just asking people what's the number one meme, Pepe seems to be the chosen one. So you will see, guys, that there is a chance that Pepe coin may have a chance to surpass Dogecoin. And let me be very clear, Dogecoin has a good chance to surpass its previous high. I think Dogecoin goes past $100 billion market cap. I think Shiba Inu is going to take a chance at it. And I think that Pepe has a strong chance to do just the same. Let's see how it plays out, guys. Obviously, $100 billion is a lot of money to go in meme coins, but Dogecoin has done it in the past. Shiba Inu likely is going to take a chance at something like that in the future. And Pepe is kind of the next one up in our minds here on the channel. Guys, that is all I have in this one. An update for you guys looking at Google Trends, looking at a potential Coinbase listing, and a timeline for maybe when, and a potential 20x and move up to a $100 billion market cap for Pepe. These are all things that I am acknowledging. I think that this could be something that might be possible, but I want to hear what your thoughts are. Do you believe that Pepe can reach a $100 billion market cap? Is this the most ridiculous thing you've ever heard? I want to know your thoughts. Do you hold any? Are you not going to hold any? Let me know in the comments down below, guys. That's all I got in this one. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and as always, guys, don't forget to DCA, HODL, and of course, I will see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. Have a great night. More videos coming out for you right here if you want to check them out. Peace, y'all. I'll see you in the next one.